In this video, we'll talking about CSS image contracts, contrast, yeah, CSS image contrast. So to do that, put our HTML structure, add our image element img. Then in our source, we add our image location. You use image sheet, then link our CSS external CSS file, which is this one. So it's like we started the same way we start our image. Link, use link inside href dot backward slash select our CSS. So it's now our CSS is now linked. So inside our CSS file, what we now do, we now use img. We use element selector, which is this element img. First, let's refresh and make sure this thing is displaying. Yeah, this image is displaying, but it's not responsive. So inside this, our CSS will make it responsive. So inside this place, we will say max width, yeah, max width. We set it to 100%, 100%. So it's now fitted now. It is now responsive. If I open it now, it's now responsive. Okay, so going forward, then to add the contrast to our image, we will use filter. Inside filter, we now use contrast. Yeah, here is the contrast. Then any value you add inside the filter is a property. So inside the property value for the filter will be contrast. Then inside the value parameter, we add the value. The more you add values, the more it add contrast to the image. The more you increase the more you increase your value, the number of your value, it will intensify the contrast of the image. Okay, let's start with 1. 1 is default. Okay, let's do 2. You can see how the effect is on the image. How about 3? More. How about 4? Even much more. How about 5? 6, 7, 8. How about 9? Okay, so you can even do something like, say, let me say 50. Yeah, see how it looks like. So this is how to do contrast in CSS. Let me do full screen. You can see how it looks like. You can see how it looks like, the contrast. But this is how to do contrast with CSS. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video.